technology. I'm driving my 116D, currently at 145,000 kilometers. And while driving yesterday morning, when it was still dark, I heard a stone chip bang at front window, but I couldn't find anything, of course, being it dark and not seeing where the stone actually hit the windscreen. But after like 20 kilometers and started to getting light, I noticed this big ass crack in my windscreen. Actually, it has been growing a bit since yesterday, and the stone actually hit at the black part of the window on the right, so it isn't visible from the inside. Just show you also the outside of the window where the stone hit. Anyhow, so I contacted the glass company, or the company that does all kinds of windscreens, and regardless which location I selected, it takes 8 days to get a new windscreen. I mean, come on. I'm quite curious if in 8 days the crack will run along my complete windscreen, or what will have happened to the car. Anyhow, fun facts, and let's see what happens. Here you can see the stone has hit probably here. Then after a few minutes the crack went through almost here, and now it's extended to here. And as I said, I have to wait about 1 week to get a new window. I have the feeling that the crack has been growing a bit, maybe for another 5 or 10 centimeters. So you can now see it's a quite nice long crack, but it didn't go all the way through the windscreen. Luckily, after waiting for 9 days, tomorrow I can bring the car to its car glass company, which will replace the windscreen. So looking forward to the new windscreen, actually, because there are dozens and dozens of small spots on the windscreen, because it's been sandblasted for the past few 100 and almost 50,000 kilometers. I guess it has been sandblasted because the previous owner was driving either on roads with a lot of stones, or was driving close to cars traveling in front of this. So, and that problem will also be solved by having a new windscreen tomorrow. Well, as you can see, the crack in the window is gone. Well, it's not actually gone, because the whole window is gone, and I finally got my new window here. I'm also quite happy as I'm driving into the sun that all the small spots are gone. Small spots of like the sandblasted window after more than 140,000 kilometers on this car. So let's hope that I can have this window for quite a while, and not have the misfortune of having another stone chip, including a crack in the window, but that this window will last for a bit. So that ends the vlog for now.